Do you see him? I decided to walk through. Oh! Oops. I fell. Sorry. They're already behind me. There's some there. You can see them all over. See that big one over there? They'll get out of your way. Oh, don't fall in the water, buddy. Oh man, they're doing something over here. Oh god. Oh god, there's the big man. I hope he's not pissed. Yeah, this is happening. There's a group of monkeys walking through them in the wild here. Oh god, look at those balls on that dude. Okay. Do you see those jumping? I don't know if you can see them, but they're all over. I mean, honestly, there's like 20. And there's another 20 over here. And there's a bunch back there. Alright, it's cool. It's cool. I'm a cool dude. This one's not moving. It's kind of freaking me out. But I'm going to keep walking right by it. We're cool. We're cool. We're cool. Everything's cool. I've been recording this way too long. Oh, you see those monkeys climbing trees? Running away. Whoop. This one's going to jump soon. Whoop. We got it. Look at them all, huh? Grooming. There's a bunch in that tree. It's hard to see. Alright, well there it is. Oh, they're all grooming behind me. Oh god, they're above me. He made a jump with that baby. That's awesome. There's one with the baby. You see it? The baby on his belly. Jumping around. There's a bunch in that tree. Alright. Well, this enlightens you.